Crash Course on Brazilian Cuisine, an exploration of Brazilian cuisine, including its history, regional specialties, and famous dishes like feijoada and pão de queijo. Brazilian cuisine is a melting pot of different cultures, reflecting the country's diverse heritage and history. With influences from Africa, Europe, and indigenous communities, Brazilian food is a flavorful and colorful mix of ingredients and techniques. From the traditional feijoada to the beloved pão de queijo, Brazilian cuisine has a lot to offer to food lovers around the world. History and influences. Brazilian cuisine has been shaped by different cultural and historical influences. The indigenous population introduced ingredients such as cassava, corn, and various tropical fruits. With the arrival of the Portuguese colonizers, European culinary traditions were brought to the country. African slaves also played an important role in the development of Brazilian cuisine, bringing their own ingredients and cooking techniques. Regional specialties. Brazil is a large country with diverse regions, each with its own culinary specialties. In the Northeast, for example, seafood dishes and spicy stews are popular, while in the South, barbecue and beef dishes dominate. The Amazon region has its unique flavors and ingredients, including exotic fruits like açaí and cupuaçu. Famous dishes. Feijoada, considered the national dish of Brazil, feijoada is a hearty stew made with black beans, pork, and various meats. Pão de queijo, these cheese bread rolls are a popular snack in Brazil, made with tapioca flour and cheese. Churrasco, Brazilian barbecue, where meat is grilled on a skewer and served with various sides. Coxinhas, these deep-fried dough pockets are filled with chicken and cream cheese. Brigadeiros, a sweet treat made with condensed milk, chocolate, and butter, rolled into small balls and coated in chocolate sprinkles. Moqueca, a seafood stew made with coconut milk, dende oil, and various vegetables. Acarajé, a popular street food in the Northeast, made with black-eyed peas, shrimp, and spicy sauce. Caipirinha, Brazil's national cocktail, made with cachaça, lime, sugar, and ice. Bobo de camarão, a creamy shrimp stew made with yucca and coconut milk. Quindam, a sweet dessert made with egg yolks, sugar, and coconut. Vatapá, a savory stew made with breadcrumbs, shrimp, coconut milk, and spices. Tapioca, a gluten-free flatbread made with tapioca flour and various fillings, such as cheese, coconut, and condensed milk. Conclusion. Brazilian cuisine is a flavorful and diverse mix of cultures, reflecting the country's history and heritage. From the spicy stews of the Northeast to the barbecue of the South, there is something for every palate in Brazilian cuisine. Whether you are enjoying a feijoada or snacking on pão de queijo, Brazilian food is a feast for the senses. Poem. Brazilian cuisine, oh what a delight! A fusion of flavors and colors so bright. From feijoada to pão de queijo. A culinary journey that never gets old. Seafood stews in the Northeast. Barbecue in the South, a savory feast. African spices and European flair. A mix of cultures that is so rare. From tapioca to brigadeiros. The sweetest treats, oh what a show! With coconut milk and black beans. A cuisine that truly reigns. So come and taste the flavors of Brazil. A culinary adventure that is truly surreal. From the north to the south, it's a feast. Brazilian cuisine, the ultimate beast. Song. Verse 1. In Brazil, the flavors collide. A culinary journey, a feast for the eyes. From feijoada to. Verse 2. The spices of Africa, the tastes of Europe. In Brazil, they come together in a perfect duet. From moqueca to churrasco. There's something for every taste bud to show. Chorus. Brazilian cuisine, oh what a delight! A fusion of flavors and colors so bright. From pão de queijo to brigadeiros. A culinary adventure, a feast for the heroes. Verse 3. Seafood stews in the Northeast. Barbecue in the South, a savory feast. A mix of cultures, a culinary art. Brazilian cuisine, close to my heart. Chorus. Brazilian cuisine, oh what a delight. A fusion of flavors and colors so bright. From tapioca to vatapa. A culinary adventure, a feast for the stars. Verse 4. Quindam, coxinius, and a carrier. The sweetest and savory, oh so great. With every bite, a new flavor explodes. Brazilian cuisine, it never gets old. Chorus. Brazilian cuisine, oh what a delight. A fusion of flavors and colors so bright. From feijoada to pão de queijo. A culinary journey that never gets old. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Brazil has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Brazil, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. And Hub Metaverse team.